Hi guys, the Dragon Lewis here, and today I'm going to show you how to buy your first Bitcoin. So we're going to head over to Coinbase, which is the main site you purchase digital currency from with fiat. So as you can see, they offer an app as well, so you can do it through the app, but it's pretty simple. We just go to the sign up button at the top. There we go, and then we just fill in the details. It's straightforward. So this is the dashboard. We've got Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Just a quick reminder guys, you will need a passport or driver license to be able to purchase any currency off Coinbase. You'll need this when you're going to use fiat to buy any cryptocurrency regardless, unless you go to a Bitcoin ATM, you can trade straight cash, or you know somebody with Bitcoin who's willing to swap you for cash. But other than that, you're going to need some documents to get verified. But we've got a recent activity there. Got your portfolio. Most of my money's on the exchange. I tend not to keep it on Coinbase, but you can just buy Bitcoin and just hold it on Coinbase if you wished, or Ethereum. So this is how you buy Bitcoin. I'm going to click Bitcoin here. Got a payment method. I've got my debit card and credit card set up. I'm going to click on debit, and at the bottom then we've got our weekly limit. It does increase the more you use Coinbase. I think it starts off around about £500. So there you go, and they charge us a small fee as well for buying Bitcoin, and that's the actual amount of Bitcoin we would get for £100. So if we go across then, and if you wished, you can then sell it back and just keep buying and selling Bitcoin at the dips. That's pretty straightforward there. We go across to the accounts. This is all our account holdings. It keeps records of when you buy, when you send, when you sell it. Let's go back to the dashboard. And there we go. I'm just going to show you guys quickly on how you can send Bitcoin. So if you're looking to send it across to an exchange to buy some alts, you go to your Bitcoin wallet, you click send, you put in the address then of the exchange wallet, and then you put the amounts in and you can send it across. They do charge you a fee, and the fee does vary depending on the price of Bitcoin at the time. That wouldn't work. Yeah, so there we go guys, that's how you do buy Bitcoin and get on the market. I do recommend getting in now because the price is really low, but I'm not a financial advisor. But thanks for watching, have fun, peace out.